In the old way, chat agents had only simple memory. They could remember what you said during a single session, but as soon as the chat closed or refreshed, everything was gone. This made conversations feel limited and disconnected. Now, with Zep Memory, we have a completely new way to store and recall conversations. Zep saves every interaction as a searchable vector embedding. This means your agent can pull back relevant information instantly, even from conversations that happened days or weeks ago. Zep also gives you a powerful graphs view, a clear visual dashboard where you can see how messages are linked, how sessions evolve over time, and how user interactions connect. This makes it easier to debug, improve, and optimize your chat agent's memory at a glance. With Zep Memory, your chat agent remembers user preferences and past questions automatically, gives more accurate and personalized answers, handles long multi-session conversations smoothly, integrates easily with n8n to automate workflows around the stored data, and scales up without losing speed or reliability. By moving from simple session memory to Zep Memory, you're upgrading your chat agent from a short-term assistant to a true long-term companion. Smarter, faster, and more helpful with every interaction. Download link of the workflow is in the first comment.